Weather too complicated today. Since morning is raining. Oh. I'm just coming back from school now. I'm going to take bus here. I'm going to take bus here. Let us see what time is it now. Okay. Bus 5 is coming at 20:30. At 20:30, 8:30. Now it's 8:24. We still have 6 minutes. Yeah. It's raining and it's very cold here. Very cold. Yes. It's my umbrella. My umbrella. You see now, it has also add 2 minutes before supposed to come at 8:30, but now it is saying bus 5 is coming at 8:32. Oh, 8:31. I think because of small traffic, that's why it is late for 1 to 2 minutes. Let me put my umbrella in my pocket. Yeah, I put it in the pocket. I have to do like this so that the water can come out, because the bus is almost, and it's not good to go in the bus while there is a lot of water in the umbrella.
Quindi penso di poi ritorno
You see guys, it's coming at 8:33. It keep increasing, decreasing. Now bus 8 is coming.
ciao Nico, no, te lo scrivo. Allora.
Bus 8 is going, and now I'm waiting for my bus. Small traffic. It's now increasing raining. Just 1 minute for bus to come. Yeah, you see, bus is coming now. Bus 5 is coming at 20:32. You see its indication that the bus is almost coming. We will see it there now. We will see it there now. Why is it late? Where is it now? It's coming. Let's take it. Let's take it. It has come. Now we close. Yeah. We go.